Alright, for my next trek, I am going to be setting up and seeing how it integrates with this truck, the Napier tent. This is actually a Chevy, a GM certified part, and you can get it on the GM website as well, you know, as Chevy website, and the accessories is the main tent, and then the annex. I did not, however, buy it from Chevy or GM. I bought it from Amazon, from the Napier store. They are the manufacturers of it, and I think I got it for like $80 cheaper than what Chevy and GM wants. I did not, that's for the annex. I think this is the annex. I think this is the tent. The tent is not the one that, the blue one that's on, or it shouldn't be, I haven't opened it up yet, the blue one that's on the Chevy website. This is actually the Napier's, I think it's the backcountry model, which they say this annex will go well with. So what I'm going to do, and then the top box are the strap protectors so it doesn't scratch up the side of my truck. So what I'm going to have to do is roll back my newly installed tonneau cover, roll it up and secure it to the front, and then set up the tent. And once that's set up the annex and see how they integrate. To do that though, I'm going to need more room, so I'm going to turn the truck around and move stuff around a little bit and get ready to go. So stay tuned.